How to customize your iPad's control center. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can customize the control center of your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, what is control center? Now control center basically means all of these icons which you see when you actually swipe down in order to see all of your control actions. And if you swipe from the left hand side, you'd be able to see all of the notifications right over here. And if you actually swipe from the right hand side, you'd be able to see these icons. And this is your control center and this is the notification bar. If you want to customize the control center, which means all of the icons in this, and you want to add a few one, you want to remove a few one, you can do that easily from the settings. So go ahead and launch the settings app. Once you launch settings, on the left hand side, make sure to select control center, as you can see. And right over here, you can see it says access within apps. For example, whether you want to actually access your control center when you're within the app, you could go ahead and do that. And you also have included controls and excluded controls. Now these included controls are the icons which are already included in our control center. If you want to remove one of those, let's say I want to remove this icon, which is the screen recording icon, right? So I will simply cross out this screen recording and then move them right over here and tap on the remove button in order to remove screen recording icon. And as you can see, it is not there. But let's say you want to add screen recording, I will tap on the plus icon and it will be added back. If I check, you can see screen recording tab there as well. Now it is at the bottom of the screen because this is at the bottom as well. We can also go ahead and then drag it if you wanted to our desired place. If you want it at the top, I'll see it, and then you can see it says at the top. Now these are the ones that are by default itself. So this section over here, you can see your iPad's music, your do not disturb, your brightness, your volume, your screen mirroring, and all this. And these are the ones which you can add by custom, which is by default. And if I want to add alarm, I will tap on add alarm and you'll be able to see the alarm icon. If I want to add, let's say, music recognition, which is a jam, as you can see, I'll also go ahead and simply tap on it, and now you could go ahead and simply access those jam and music recognition right from your control center. If you want some dark mode toggle right over here, then you could also go ahead and turn on the dark mode. You could tap on it to enable light mode, tap on it again to enable the dark mode feature, and you could basically go ahead and do that as well. If you want sound recognition, you could tap on it and then you could go ahead and see the sound recognition option. But I'll simply remove it and then keep on removing them until I don't find my desired ones right in this case. And this is basically it. This is how you could very easily customize your control center and how you can edit those as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.